Siguro realistically, we really cannot predict anything this ABC. We were formed just siguro recently din. But all we could do now is to prepare talaga well para may mabigyan naman natin ng magandang laban din kung sino po yung mga makakalaban natin this ABC. And this reunion, honestly, I played with Coach Shaq siguro sa national team way back 2019. We were actually almost there. But unfortunately, I think yun nga din yung isa sa mga things na napag-usapan namin natin, Joe, sinassess din na it's nice to be back and having that motivation na hopefully makakuha din talaga kami ng mga ng panalo or ma-represent din namin yung bansa with pride and honor this time. Yun lang po, very, very excited kasi nakalaban lang namin si Coach Shaq sa finals recently. So, iba rin pag nasa same side ng court, di ba? If it's for the national team, syempre lahat tayo. We're all one for the national.